Hi guys, welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome. So basically I'm going to show you guys how to do this look on yourselves. If you want to know, look snatched, look cute, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. The reason why I even wanted to do a hair tutorial for my YouTube channel is because I personally am transitioning from straight like heat damaged, chemically damaged, like ugly, like that rough and tough hair. I probably had the most damaged hair ever. As I was transitioning, I never really knew what to do to my hair, so I was just finding things to do, different hairstyles, what worked best for me. My head is the weirdest shape, I swear to you. It's so weird that I was just like, I feel uncomfortable. Like I used to always have my hair down and straight. Like I just felt uncomfortable doing like slick backs like how I have it now. I would do like side parts. I wouldn't do the middle part because honestly I look a little weird, but I do this and side parts and like half up, half down type shits. And today I'm just gonna show you guys how to do my just normal high slick back bun, because I know if you are transitioning, you probably don't know what to do to your hair, and I just want to help others because let me tell you, I went through hell and back trying to figure out what worked best for me and how I look the cutest and all that. So I just want to help other people that are transitioning and struggling with the transition just how I struggled. A cute fun hairstyle, easy to do too, and for short hair because my hair literally like reaches up to here. Anyways, enough of me talking shit. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, let's just get started. Okay guys, so right now I have this in my hair, like not cute, but I'm going to show you guys what I do, how I do my bun or whatever. So this is what my hair looks like when I take it out. Very much ugly. First thing is, what you're gonna need is a brush, but not one of those like soft bristle brushes. You need a hard one. Well, if you have thick hair, you need a hard one. I have thick hair, so yeah, I used to have one that was like soft, but it didn't really work for me. You're gonna need a spray bottle. It could be any. I literally got this from like Target, I think it was, and I just put water in there. Oh my god, I look crazy. And you're gonna need your gels. We're gonna use this gel, the Aunt Jackie curl something, and I'm gonna use my Eco Style styling gel because if not, it's not good. Oh god, if not, my hair literally will not stay. Oh, and we're gonna use the curl and style milk by Shea Moisture. I don't know if it's Shea. Oh my god, it's Shea Moisture. Oh, I've been saying it wrong this whole time. I used to say Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture. I'm just gonna spritz some water in. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna flip my head and spray some water in the back because these are shorter and these really won't stay if they're not like well put. So now that my hair is all wet, what I do is that, for those that don't know, I have bangs. See, they're right here. So I'm just gonna brush the front hairs back. And I have a weird head shape, but I still do this because I'm transitioning and it's the only thing I can basically do. So yeah, I'm just gonna then brush the back like so. And you're just gonna keep brushing until it's just all smooth. But what I also do is that I'm going to tie it like just like 2 wraps, and now I'm just going to apply all my gels, like everything, all my hair stuff. Okay, so actually I don't know why this isn't coming out through the hole, so I have to like open it and just, okay, I just took some out because it just was not working. So I know this looks a little crazy, but I'm just gonna put it in the front and in the back of my hair. Now I'm just going to take some of my Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss coconut curling jelly. when I do slick backs, I literally put so much gel in because I just need it to be flat. And then I'm just gonna put that in the front and in the back as well. Now we're gonna take our Eco Style Airgun. I get the Airgun, I don't know how to say this, but Airgun oil one, because yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, it's almost done, as you guys can see, but we just need to finish it. I've had this for a while now. So, and then just put some in the front and in the back. And now I'm just gonna brush. Take this out and brush some more. I brush until I just feel like it looks, or it feels right, or until just like all looks even and flat all over. So I tied it 3 times. I need to get my eyebrows done, but just ignore the fact. As you guys can see, it's not perfect, but I'm going to fix that now. I'm just gonna take this hair tie because it's the first one I found. I make it seem like I tie it, but I'm just gonna go halfway through. So yeah, I just do that, and then I just take another hair tie and take the pieces that are sticking out and just wrap it. So, and whatever other pieces are sticking out, I just put bobby pins in. I'm pretty sure most girls relate to me. I use a toothbrush to fix my baby hairs and just brush through my hair. Next is my baby hairs. So what I do is that I just brush them out. I don't have a lot of baby hairs, but I brush it out because look at this forehead. No thank you. We do not want this big ass forehead. Okay, so once I look, I'm like, this is embarrassing, but once the 3 baby hairs that I have are out, I just grab some gel and lay those hairs. Literally just take gel and put it on your forehead wherever your baby hairs are. Okay, so I'm just gonna swoop it. Okay, we are done. We are done. Now let me just fix myself up a little bit. It looks cute. So this is the final look. You guys already saw it in the beginning of my video, but you know, this is how it came out. Ignore my weird ass head, but this is how it came out. A little bit of my hair is coming out, but I usually just put bobby pins in the back. Super cute. I'll show you guys the back of it so you guys can see. This is what it looks like from the back. It has a little clump here because that's where I have a knot there. Like I have the knot. It's just tangled. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed and can learn something new. I know that this is like super simple and easy, and maybe most of you guys know how to do this, but for those of you that don't know how to achieve that tight slick back hair, I got you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.